Hi, very good morning, everyone, and welcome back to the channel Fortune Forex. So, the previous week was extremely crucial as we had so many important news, so many important data, which has been followed by FOMC meeting that is related with the Fed rate decision, and also followed by NFP data, that is non-farm payroll data. So, gold has given a massive breakout after the news. We expected that data came soft little bit, so it will create a pressure on gold. But if you see this particular candle from the downside after the price action, you can see a major breakout in the gold prices. So what you are expecting in the next week? Are you expecting 3500 or maybe an all-time high that gold will going to break or not? Let's post it me in the comment section box. And if you're coming for the first time on our channel, please do not forget to like and subscribe so that you will get all the insights. So in my last video, I already mentioned on Friday that if Fed remain hawkish tone or NFP data came stronger than expected, we could see a temporary short movement into a gold prices and temporary pressure on the gold prices. But somehow in the long run, it's obviously if inflation remains sticky, then gold will always remain on a bullish side. I have already mentioned, if you can go back to my previous videos, you can find it out. So if we see this is a 1 day chart which you all are watching, guys. Okay, so today in this complete video, I will do a weekly analysis which will be covering in the three different parts, that is on the day chart, 1 hour chart, and also 4 hour chart candles. Okay, so I will start first of all with the 1 day chart right now. And if you see, if you right now watching a daily time frame, let's start with that. And gold has recently bounced back from a strong demand area zone, which is this one. This was a demand zone which was previously rested so many times. And right now, if you see, the order has been blocked from here and from the previous price actions. Let me tell you how you can find a previous price action. This was a price action which has happened on 1st of May, and then on 29th of May, the same thing happened. Then on 26th of June, we have seen a bounce back from this particular price. And then on 31st of July and 1st of August, we have seen this kind of price action from the support and the demand zone. So that was a demand zone where all the buyers were heavily pushing up the prices. You can see a strong bounce back in the prices of gold. This is a 1 day chart which has been retested so many times previous as well. So we have now broke down into a bullish structure, and the last candle which shows a strong bullish momentum, that is a sign, you can say, of a bullishness. Let me just zoom it out for all of you. And if you can see the price action from the downside, full hold this candle which has been made on Friday, that is almost $81 of movement in the gold. $81, guys. So if you see, gold open on 3281, make a low of this, and then bounce back after NFP's data came soft related to the gold. And as I already mentioned, in the long run, if inflation remains sticky, we could expect a kind of bullish overall movement into the gold prices. And already Fed remains hawkish tone. They already told that we will not going to aggressively thinking to cut a rate in the next meetings as well. So it's a kind of indecisiveness mode based on completely based on economical condition. So right now gold is a favorite for all the investors, and you can see a strong bounce back in the prices of gold. And $81, it's a very huge movement, guys. $81 movement in a 1 day. It's I have never seen in this kind of scenarios in the last, which has been going on in the last 3 to 4 months. So it's extremely volatility into the market, based completely based on the news. And price action has been changes, market structure has been changed now. And we can see a potential price pullback. After a potential price pullback, we have seen a bounce back again in the gold prices. So gold is back into the you can say a positive zone until after a confirmation. 3345 was our trend decider for a week, and after that gold has given a closing around 3365 on a daily chart. Okay, so now let's get back to a 1 hour chart. Let's start with 1 hour, or maybe let's first of all start with 4 hour chart, so you all will get more clarity. You can see this is a order breakout and MSOB, right? So we have used this particular signal based, trend based indicator that helps us to take, a proper entry into the market, that is MSOB. And you can see a market order breakout things. Okay, so if we talk about a 4 hour charts, now on 4 hour charts we can see the 4 hour we have given a clear break of structure. Clear break of structure, why I am telling you all this? Because if you understand the price action, first price came down, rejected, and then retested back low, and from there it made a consolidation. And after a strong consolidation on 31st of July, we have seen a strong bounce back in the prices of gold. Let me just delete all the drawings and indicators for you, so that will be easy for you to understand all of this. Okay, yes, so if you see this particular candle prices, okay, and if you see the movement, why I'm talking about price action is the best strategy. You always need to understand the price action. First price came down, rejected and bounced back, but it was like going to, made a gain low. So the lower lows formation has been done, then we can see a strong consolidation in this price, higher low, and then there was a breakout in the prices. So if you want to learn the price action strategy, and if you want to learn the technical analysis, you can reach out to me on this telegram channel ID as well. This is my Fortune Signals telegram channel ID. You can reach out to me here to understand the market scenarios for free signals and for all type of courses. If you have any queries, if you have any struck positions, you can reach out to me here as well. So this is my telegram channel ID. WhatsApp number is also available in the YouTube description box, so you can reach out to me there as well. Okay, and my team number is also available. Okay, so let's get back to the 4 hour charts now. If you see in the 4 hour chart, the confirmation that the institutionals are active and the price is reacting from the previous order block size. So this was the area, this was a point of interest for all the buyers, and after that they are getting active here. The immediate resistance is, if we talk about 3365 to 3380. 3380, why? Because this has been retested last time also, if you see, so many times. So the main important resistance, if any breakout from this zone, that could brings a volume and that could trigger a new rally into the prices of gold. And you can see a price pullback. The ideal buy zone will be not here. I will going to tell you what will be the main ideal buying zone. If you are a day trader, if you're a scalping trader, or maybe if you are a swing traders, we will also cover that as well. Okay, so if you see any kind of price pullback from the ideal zone, I am expecting a little bit of downside from here. First it will goes down here, and then prices will pull back again by the buyers with high intensity, with high volume. Okay, so this is also a level which you want to watch for during the high impact newses like FOMC and NFP, which has been, a trend decider for the whole month. Okay, now let's get back to the 1 hour chart. Before going 1 hour chart, we will cover what will going to be we have in the next week. Okay, so on 5th of August, we have only ISM data, that is on the USD time, ISM service PMI data. Now let's get go to 6th of August. 6th of August, we have unemployment change, unemployment rate data, that is for New Zealand dollars. And apart from that, we have no as such high impact data. All are mild and small data which we have for the whole day on Wednesday. Okay, so on Thursday we have major data, that is at 4:30 as per Indian time, and for all the Asian clients in the London session we have GBP data, monetary policy, official bank rate for GBP, and then we have unemployment claims and non-farm productivity quarter. So that is not a high impact data, guys. That is just a mild data which we have. And now after that we have on 8th of August, we have unemployment change and unemployment rate, that is for Canadian dollars. So the whole week till Monday to Friday we have a clean week. So it might be possible the institutional investors might get again entry into the into the charts, and then we can see a volume breakout and a rally will continue on a bullish side, because after this kind of strong bullish momentum we could expect a little bit of sort of pullback down, and then there will be a strong bounce back again. So now let's get back to 1 hour chart for all of you. So we will cover everything for today. Let me remove all the drawings for you. Yes. So if you see on a 1 hour time frame for scalping or as well as for the swing trading as well, let's zoom it a 1 hour chart a little bit, where things will get exciting and you will see much more clarity. And after that is why I'm telling you exciting for intraday traders, exciting for scalpers as well as a day traders. Okay, so we have seen price has been respecting this area. Price has been respecting this area. We have seen a kind of strong, you can say, consolidation almost 7 hours before closing our Friday. Before closing our day, we have seen a strong consolidation in these prices, and after that we have seen a clear breakout in the prices. Gold has given a closing around 3365 around. So if on a Monday we could see a little bit of price pull back down here, then we will find a better trade at least here at 3345 3340. This will be a good order block for all the sellers, and then if the rally will continue, if sellers will try to continue and they will try to create a pressure on the gold prices, then we could expect the prices can reach up to this area as well. But I am not very sure after a clear bounce back prices will fall again here, because that was a momentum based buying. We could see this will be an area of interest for all the buyers, and from there they will again enter into the market and push prices up again to continue the rally up to 3380. So it's obviously a clear sign for every one of you, the support and resistance level for every one of you for daily time frame, or on a like the basic support level for a short term frame for all the internet traders, that is that's 3345. If that breach, we could expect the prices can grow up to 3310. If we talk about resistance area, resistance is at 3380 or maybe 3375. This will be a strongest resistance which has been retested so many times previously as well. So this will be an area of interest for all the buyers, and if we see a potential pullback again in the prices, buyers will push up the prices higher side. So then it is possible we will going to witness on Monday or maybe in the next week 3400 or 3500 will easily be reachable. I'm not talking about 3500, but at least 3430 from where gold started coming down, this area could be possibly we will going to see. So let me just this is just a 1 hour time frame support and resistance level. The daily and the weekly support and resistance level is completely different, so let me just mention that as well. Oops, sorry. Yeah. Okay, so if we talk about here, weekly support is at 3260. Resistance is at 3396. Okay, so this will be our main support and resistance level for a week. If we talk about this, we have to delete this. Yes, so this is our weekly support and resistance level. Support, why I am talking about 3 to 6, because that has been retested so many times. So you have to look for a bullish momentum, guys. I am expecting some sort of buying from this area, so scalpers or day traders can take the positions from buying here with a small stop loss as per their risk appetite up to 3330, because this was previously retested. Okay, so 3330 can be a possibly a stop loss below, and then you after that you can expect a big volume buying from here if buyers will get active from here. So then you can see 30 3385 3370 will be a possible area for good short-term scalping, and that could be a target. And above that, if this setup is especially effective, if prices are consolidated here after the news, as we have no as such news, so then the market will be clear, the rally will continue, and institutional buyers will continuously to make any part of positions from here. So we can expect much more higher buying from here as well. And if the rally will continue, then 3400 and then 3430 will definitely going to cover in the next week. So let's just let me know in the comment section that where you are heading to, like where you are expecting gold will heading towards in the next week. And you can drop me a comment if you have any queries. You always have my WhatsApp number in the YouTube description box. You can reach out to me there, and we can see we will going to meet next week again with the same intensity and with the same volume based trade win and go big. Thank you guys.